Welcome to ntdongqing Machinery Co., Limited, a food equipment manufacturer with over 20 years of experience. We specialize in providing high-quality food equipment for restaurants, hotels, wholesalers, retailers, and small stores worldwide. From design to production, we rely on our rich experience to provide customers with all kinds of kitchen, baking, food processing, beverage making, and other equipment. Our products cover from kitchen equipment to tableware, from baking equipment to refrigeration equipment, almost meeting all the needs of the catering industry. At Dongqing, we pay attention to every detail and carefully select raw materials to ensure that every equipment has reliability and durability from the beginning of production. Our production lines use advanced technology and equipment, and each process is strictly controlled to ensure that each machine can operate accurately and efficiently. Whether it is kitchen equipment, food processing equipment, or refrigeration equipment, they are all born here. Dongqing conducts strict quality inspection on each device. From functional testing to durability testing, we ensure that each device can operate stably for a long time and meet the high standards of customers. Each device is carefully packaged to ensure that the product is intact during transportation. What we provide to our customers is not only high-quality products, but also a worry-free service experience. As your long-term partner, we promise to provide you with unimaginable attentive service. Whether it is pre-sales consultation, after-sales support, or personalized customization, we will do our best to meet your needs. ntdongqing Machinery Company, Limited, relying on 20 years of technical accumulation, is providing high-quality equipment and services to the catering industry around the world. Choosing Dongqing means choosing quality and trust. Worry-free production, worry-free life. Dongqing is with you.